How to clear out data, clear out history, and clear out cache on your Opera web browser app for Samsung phones or Android phones. You'll first want to go into the app itself, and let's just say you already have a tab open already, or perhaps you want to create a new tab. You can either do one of them. Tapping on these three dots here will give you the option to go into your settings right here. Or if you are in a tab at the moment, you can tap on your icon here to the bottom right. And when you do this, depending on whether you are in as a user or a guest, you will also tap on the settings icon here where my finger is pointing, this one here. Now, once you're here in the main settings of the Opera app itself, go down until you see privacy and security. Once you're here now, you'll see all these different options. Then go down past all this. And the one you want to go with is clear data on exit or clear data. So it's up to you to make that decision. So if you go here, the last one here, it'll take you to clear data. And this is just manually doing it for all of them at the very moment. So if you have history here, you can select your history. That's going to clear out all the history that you've been on the app. Also, any tabs that are open at the moment, you can select that. And you have recent searches. Anything you might have typed in and its search is going to show here. Same thing with stored information on sites. You can select that. You got site settings, anything with passwords, any autofills such as email addresses, usernames, phone numbers, anything that might have been saved into something you might have been filling out on a website using the Opera app. All that is going to be removed once you select all of them, okay? You also have the advanced option here with bookmarks if you have any saved. This is like clearing out everything completely, fresh start if you want to. So depending on which ones you select, and then you also have the last option, the cached images and files that might have been saved, such as anything you might have saved from the app itself. All right. Now, once you select everything and you're ready to go with clear data. And it's going to show you it's cleared out. And depending on how much you have, it will take longer or less. Now, if you want this option, such as clear data on exit here, you can have these options selected. So every time you close out the app, it's going to clear it out for you automatically. Same thing, just go down the list, choose what you want, and you're good to go. And that's basically it for this guide here. And if it helped you out in any way, like and sub.